My country, my pride. Good morning to all. I'm proud to be an Indian because of rich culture and heritage. Unity in diversity means a grand fusion of cultures, languages, religions, etc. But we all are one. India is the largest democratic country in the world. We have seen great leaders like Dr. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, APJ Abdul Kalam, etc. India is a colorful country because of various festivals like Deepavali, Onam, Holi, Christmas, Ramzan, etc. We all love India because it's our motherland. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today I wanted to tell you about our amazing country, India. India is very special because we have so many different cultures, languages and traditions. Just like our flag, we are a colorful and diverse nation. India is a wonderful country with 28 states and 8 union territories, and we speak 22 languages. It means that people in India come from different places and different cultures and traditions. But together we are strong because we believe in unity in diversity. India is a wonderful country with 28 states and 8 union territories, and we speak 22 languages. It means that people in India come from different places and different cultures and traditions in India, but together we are strong because we believe in unity in diversity. India is a land of diverse culture and religion. As a result, there are numerous festivals like Diwali, Festival of Light, and we light up our homes with beautiful lamps. Holi is a festival of colors, and we play with colorful powder and water. Another festival like Navratri and Durga Puja, Eid, Christmas, Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Onam, etc. On August 15th, we celebrate Independence Day. On January 10th, we celebrate Republic Day. In India, we believe in something called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means the world is one family. Teachers have to treat everyone with love and respect, just like we would treat our own family members. We are the proud of a country and rich heritage. We are the future of a country and we can make a difference. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Today, I am going to talk about our beautiful country, India. India is also known by the names Bharat and Hindustan. India is a land of diverse cultures, traditions and colors where people from different backgrounds come together to create a vibrant and unique society. India has given yoga, Ayurveda and chess to the world. India was under British rule for over 200 years. India achieved its independence on 15th August 1947 following numerous freedom struggles. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic nation and Indian constitution came into force. It is the 7th largest country in the world. New Delhi is the capital of India. There are 29 states and 8 union territories in the country. Our country is a beautiful land full of wonders like the Taj Mahal, the Golden Temple and the Mysore Palace. India has produced many prominent leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Indian Space Research Organization has successfully launched Chandrayaan 3, which is a huge achievement. Let's all work hard for the growth of this great nation. Thank you. Jai Hind. A warm welcome to all of you present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on my country, India. There is one of the most ancient civilizations in the world. It is famous for its rich culture and traditions. Hindi is the national language of my country. There are 29 states and each state has its own language, festivals and cuisine. Therefore, unity and diversity sits perfectly with my country. Celebrating 76 years of independence since 15th August 1947, India believes in secularism and gives equal rights to all the citizens of the country. There is a hub for good education and health care facilities. As a developing country, India stands 5th in economy and 7th largest country in the world. India would be heading more startups which may include agriculture, education and technology projects. Finally, we the students are future of India. We should preserve the heritage and participate in the growth of our country and make India proud. Thank you.